There's a moment in every person's life when they look at their paycheck, look at their exhaustion, and wonder quietly, is this really the best I can do? What if you were forced to confront a truth you've quietly avoided for years, the truth that 8 hours a day of your life may be building someone else's dream instead of your own? It's a dangerous question, because it wakes up the part of you that already knows the truth. You're spending 8 hours a day fueling someone else's vision while your own dreams collect dust. And yet, somewhere in the background of your life, thousands of people are earning money in their sleep without special skills, without big savings, and without waiting for permission. But here's the twist: none of them began with confidence. They began with curiosity. The same curiosity you're feeling now. Most people think passive income is a myth, until the first deposit arrives while they're out buying groceries. But here's the strange part. The simplest passive income method is also the one almost everyone ignores. You'll discover exactly what that overlooked method is in a moment and why it quietly produces income long after the work is done. The world has changed. Technology has lowered the drawbridge. The moat is gone. The castle is open. Tools like Magic and VidIQ do the heavy lifting that once required teams, budgets, and expertise. Today, the only real barrier is the hesitation between your desire and your decision. You're about to learn 7 proven paths: affiliate marketing, content creation, digital products, print on demand, rights, dividends, and online courses. Not theories. Not hype. Systems that have produced real income for real people, including the strategy that generated over $50,000 last year from less than 2 hours a week. You've seen others build freedom through AI tools, affiliate programs, and digital systems, yet you're still watching from the sidelines. Why? Because no one has shown you the one system that removes the overwhelm and replaces it with momentum. You'll see that system laid out step by step today, and how ordinary people use it to create extraordinary results. But before we dive in, let's make something clear: passive income is not magic. It's a tree. You plant it. You water it. And then one day, seemingly overnight, it provides shade you no longer have to work for. This introduction is your watering can. Because if you stay with me, if you lean in, you'll see something remarkable. Your financial future is not determined by where you wake up today, but by the systems you choose to build tomorrow. And by the end of this, you'll have the simplest, safest, smartest starting point laid out in front of you, waiting for you to take the first step. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together. The average person spends 8 hours a day working for someone else's dream while their own bank account barely grows. But what if we told you that right now, as you're watching this video, there are people making hundreds or even thousands of dollars while they sleep? And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or cryptocurrency venture. I'm talking about legitimate passive income streams that anyone can start building today, even if you have zero experience or just a few dollars to invest. I've been generating passive income online for the past few years, and I've helped hundreds of people create their own money-making systems. Today, I'm going to reveal 7 proven methods that actually work, including the one strategy that generated over $50,000 for us last year with less than 2 hours of work per week. Stick around, because the last method we share could completely change your financial future. Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. True passive income isn't completely hands-off from day one. There's always some upfront work involved, whether it's time, money, or both. But once these systems are running, they can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Think of it like planting a tree. You need to water it and care for it initially, but eventually, it grows tall enough to provide shade without your constant attention. The first method is affiliate marketing, and this is where many people start because it requires virtually no upfront investment. We have an example near the top of the description below. We use Tube Magic to construct the majority of the transcript of our videos either from just a prompt or a URL of an existing YouTube video. We also use VidIQ for video ideas and creating shorts from your long-form videos, to construct thumbnails with a prompt or a video URL or a video on your computer, one-on-one coaching plus lessons to learn from verified YouTube experts and much, much more. You could make thousands of dollars from these programs. You're essentially becoming a middleman, promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you generate. Take a few minutes to set it up once and wait for the income. The key is choosing products you genuinely believe in, just like we do, and building trust with your audience. We started by reviewing software tools we were already using and sharing our honest experiences on a simple blog. Within 6 months, we were earning $300 monthly just from those reviews. Content creation is your second pathway to passive income. Whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, podcasts, or social media content, quality content can generate revenue for years after you create it. The secret sauce is creating evergreen content that remains relevant over time. My video about productivity tips from 2 years ago still brings in ad revenue and affiliate sales every single month. The initial work was about 8 hours to create and upload, but it's earned over $5,000 since then. Digital products represent your third opportunity, and this is where things get exciting. Create something once and sell it infinite times. This could be an online course sharing your expertise, an ebook solving a common problem, or even digital templates and tools. We created a simple budgeting spreadsheet that took us 3 hours to build, and it's generated over $15,000 in sales. The beautiful part is that every sale is pure profit after the initial time investment. Print on demand is method number 4, and it's perfect for creative people who don't want to handle inventory or shipping. You design graphics, quotes, or artwork, upload them to platforms like Printful or Teespring, and earn royalties every time someone buys a product with your design. A friend of mine created a series of motivational quotes for coffee mugs and now earns $400 monthly without touching a single product. Real estate investing might sound intimidating, but online platforms have made it incredibly accessible. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in property portfolios with as little as $100. Crowdfunding platforms let you pool money with other investors to buy rental properties or commercial real estate. We allocated $2,000 across different REITs last year and earned 8% returns without dealing with tenants or maintenance issues. Stock dividends and index funds form your sixth strategy. While not exclusively online, digital platforms make investing easier than ever. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular income payments, while index funds offer steady growth over time. The key is consistency and patience. We invest $500 monthly in a diversified portfolio, and it's grown to generate nearly $200 in monthly dividends. Here's the game changer we promised earlier. Building and selling digital courses or membership sites can create substantial passive income once established. Identify a skill you possess that others want to learn, create comprehensive training materials, and sell access to your knowledge. The initial work is significant, usually requiring several weeks or months of preparation, but successful courses can generate income for years. The secret most people miss is understanding that passive income is really about building systems and assets, not just finding quick money tricks. Every successful passive income stream follows the same pattern: initial effort and investment, followed by optimization and scaling, then long-term maintenance with consistent returns. Let's address the biggest obstacles people face when starting their passive income journey. First, perfectionism paralysis. You don't need everything perfect before you start. My first blog posts were terrible, my early videos had poor audio quality, and my initial digital products had obvious flaws. But we launched anyway, learned from feedback, and improved over time. Done is better than perfect. Second, expecting immediate results. Passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. Most streams take 3 to 6 months before generating meaningful income, and a year or more to become truly passive. Set realistic expectations and focus on consistent daily actions rather than dramatic overnight results. But if you do what we do, marketing someone else's software reduces your work to about zero with the possibility of huge gains. Third, trying to do everything at once. Pick one method that aligns with your skills and interests, master it, then expand to others. We focused exclusively on affiliate marketing for our first year before adding content creation and digital products. We then had the time and income to allow us to do other things. This focused approach led to better results than spreading myself too thin. The technology exists today to build passive income streams that were impossible just 10 years ago. Artificial intelligence tools like the ones we use can help with content creation, automated email systems can nurture customers while you sleep, and global payment platforms make it easy to sell worldwide. The barriers to entry have never been lower. Your passive income journey starts with a single decision to take action today. Choose one method from this video that resonates with you and commit to working on it for the next 30 days. Document your progress, learn from failures, and celebrate small wins along the way. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is right now. Your future self will thank you for starting today rather than waiting for perfect conditions that never come. Which passive income method will you start with? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial freedom strategies. Your passive income empire starts with this first step. It's now up to you. Remember the question we opened with, the uncomfortable one about spending your life building someone else's dream instead of your own? This is where that loop finally closes. Because now you've seen the truth. The people earning money while they sleep aren't different from you. They didn't start with more money, more skill, or more time. They simply made the decision you haven't made yet, the decision to plant their own financial tree instead of watering someone else's. You've explored 7 proven pathways, each one accessible, each one achievable, each one capable of growing into something far larger than the effort required to start. Affiliate marketing for quick wins. Content creation for evergreen reach. Digital products for infinite scalability. Print on demand for creative leverage. Rights and dividends for reliable returns. And online courses for long-term, automated profit. The pattern is unmistakable. Small start, simple system, steady scale. What matters now is action, the single step that transforms a spectator into a creator. You don't need perfection. You don't need certainty. You need movement. Pick the path that resonates most, commit to it for 30 days, and let momentum shape the rest. Because the question that opened this journey ends with a choice. Will you continue building someone else's future, or start building your own today? Your passive income story doesn't begin with money. It begins with a decision. And now you have everything you need to make it. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.